Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase content reach with Buffer, full guide step by step clearly. To increase your content reach with Buffer, start by signing up for a Buffer account. Navigate to the dashboard after logging in. Connect your social media accounts by clicking on the Manage Channels option. Choose the platforms where you wish to share your content. Authorize Buffer to access your social media accounts.
Once connected, select the Content tab to create a new post.
Craft engaging content by writing a compelling caption.
Add an image or video to enhance your post.
Choose the optimal time for posting by utilizing Buffer's scheduling tool.
Adjust the time zone settings to match your target audience. Review your post for any errors before scheduling. Utilize Buffer's suggested times to increase engagement. Consider using Buffer's analytics feature to monitor post performance. Analyze the data to identify the best time to post for maximum reach. Experiment with different types of content to see what resonates best. Use Buffer's RSS feed feature to automatically share blog posts. Engage with your audience by responding to comments on your posts. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to extend your reach. Consider running social media campaigns directly through Buffer. Be consistent with your posting schedule to maintain audience interest. Finally, regularly review and adjust your strategy based on performance insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current.
If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.